I just reviewed 10 research papers and wrote a complete literature summary in under 40 minutes. A year ago, this would have taken me 3 full days. Let me show you exactly how my research workflow changed in 2026. So if you're a researcher, PhD student, or anyone who has to read a ton of academic papers, you know the pain. You're bouncing between Google Scholar, your PDF reader, Mendeley, Google Docs, trying to keep track of citations, taking notes, and honestly just drowning in information. I was stuck in that cycle until I discovered SciSpace Agent's new updates. And I'm not exaggerating when I say it completely transformed how I work. Today, I'm walking you through my actual workflow, the exact steps I use to go from I need to review papers on this topic to here's my finished report with citations. We're covering 4 stages: discovering papers, analyzing them, writing summaries, and exporting everything. And I'll show you 2 features that are absolute game changers: multi-PDF analysis with citations and Mendeley integration. So, let's see how it works. Alright, stage 1, discovering relevant papers. This is where everything starts, and honestly, this used to be the most frustrating part for me. I'd spend hours on Google Scholar, filtering through dozens of irrelevant papers, opening tabs until my browser crashed. Not fun. Now I just open SciSpace Agent and describe what I'm looking for in plain English. So let's say I'm researching machine learning applications in drug discovery. I'll type something like, find recent papers on machine learning and drug discovery published after 2023. Watch what happens. Within seconds, I get this curated list of relevant papers. It's not just throwing search results at me, it actually understands what I'm asking for. I can see titles, authors, publication dates, and even quick summaries. I can click on any paper to read more details, or I can just select the ones I want to analyze. I'm going to grab about 6 papers here that look really relevant. This part alone saves me 2 to 3 hours every single time. Okay, papers selected. Let's move to analysis. Stage 2. This is where the magic happens. I need to actually read and understand these papers, pull out key information, and make sense of how they all connect. The old way? Open each PDF, read through, highlight, take notes in a separate document, try to remember which paper said what. Exhausting. The new way? Let me show you. First, I can upload up to 10 PDFs at once. I'm going to drag and drop these 6 papers I just found. Just like that, they're uploading and processing. But here's where it gets even better. If you're like me and you already organize your papers in Mendeley, you don't even need to download and re-upload. You can pull them directly. Let me show you the Mendeley integration. I've already connected my account. It takes like 30 seconds, you just authorize it. And now boom, my entire Mendeley library is right here inside SciSpace. Okay, all of my PDF files have been uploaded. Now, instead of reading each paper separately, I can ask questions across all of them at once. So I'll ask, what are the main machine learning models used in these studies? And look at this. It gives me this synthesized answer pulling information from multiple papers, and every single claim has a citation. See these little numbers? Those are citations pointing to specific papers. But here's the part that blew my mind the first time I saw it. Watch what happens when I click on one of these citations. It takes me directly to that exact sentence in the PDF. It's highlighted right there. I don't have to hunt through pages trying to verify what the AI said. I can see the source immediately. Now imagine I want to also include the papers from the Mendeley library. I have this folder called Drug Discovery 2024 with 4 papers I've been collecting. I just have to mention the papers in SciSpace, and the agent will take care of it. No downloading, no file management headaches. And here you can see that SciSpace Agent is now accessing the papers from Mendeley and analyzing them. It found 3 related papers. After analyzing the paper, it will have the final answer. And here it is, our answer is ready. This is huge for 2 reasons. 1, it keeps the AI honest. I can fact-check everything instantly. 2, when I'm writing my own paper later, I know exactly where to cite from. I'm not skipping the deep reading, I'm just being way more efficient about it. Alright, stage 3, writing. I've analyzed the papers, I understand the landscape, now I need to actually write something. Maybe it's a literature review section, maybe it's a grant proposal, maybe it's just notes for my advisor. Instead of staring at a blank Google Doc, I ask SciSpace to help me structure it. I'll type, generate a structured literature review summary covering research objectives, methodologies, key findings, and research gaps. Include citations. Let's see what it does. Okay, look at this. I have a complete, well-structured summary with sections, proper flow, and citations throughout. This isn't just a dump of information, it's actually organized and readable. And here's the thing. I can edit this collaboratively. I'm not outsourcing my thinking here, I'm still the researcher. I'm still making decisions about what matters and what doesn't. But the AI is handling the grunt work, the synthesis, the organization, the citation formatting. That frees me up to focus on the actual insights and analysis. Once I'm happy with this, I can copy it into my manuscript, tweak it, add my own voice. But I'm starting from 80% done instead of 0% done. That's the difference. Final stage, getting this out into the world. I need to share this with my advisor, my collaborators, and maybe include it in a grant application. SciSpace lets me export this as a professional report. It's formatted, it includes all my analysis, the structured summary, and the references. I can download it as a PDF or share a link. This is what the report looks like, clean, professional, ready to go. I can send this to my team right now. Or I can create a shorter shareable summary if I just want to give someone the highlights. The entire process, from I need to review papers on this topic to here's my finished report, took me about 40 minutes. The old way? Honestly, 2 to 3 days minimum. That's not an exaggeration. That's the reality of how much time this saves. If you do literature reviews, systematic reviews, or just need to stay on top of your field, this is a complete game changer. All right, if you want to try this yourself, I've put the link to SciSpace in the description below. You can also enjoy 40% discount on annual plans and a $20 discount on monthly plans. You will get them in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.